Let's conduct a simple demonstration. We have an oil absorbent pad. We'll tear it in half and apply water on one side and oil on the other. Observe closely. Within seconds, the difference is striking. The water beads up and sits on the surface, completely repelled. Meanwhile, the oil is instantly captured, spreading rapidly as it's drawn deep into the pad's matrix. The secret lies in its material and structure. Made from materials like polypropylene, it is inherently hydrophobic and oleophilic. It repels water but attracts and holds oils. Key is its physical design: a porous network of microfibers with a vast surface area. Upon contact, oil is quickly wicked into these micropores and locked in by capillary action. Water, due to surface tension and the material's water repellency, is prevented from entering. This is the core principle behind its professional cleanup performance. Contact JXY today and be ready for any spill before it happens.